Hello parents and guardians, I'm Randy Milliken, the principal at North Miami Beach Senior High School. Welcome to our 2019-20 open house. We want to talk about two important things. One of them is uniforms. Uniforms are very important because they help us identify your students. The second is attendance. We want to make sure that your students are here every day and they're on time. So let's make sure you help us with those things. Parents, tonight is the night to meet the teachers, learn about the programs, and understand the things that we're doing here at school to try to help your students. So if you need a meeting or an individual conference, please, we'd be more than happy to schedule one. But tonight, really try to focus on the teachers and learn about what programs your kids are in. Parents, lastly, I'd like to ask you to get involved. Get involved with our PTSA, get involved with our parent portal, get on that parent portal, take a look at what your students doing academically, take a look at what they're doing attendance-wise. Contact us if you have any questions. You can contact us on the website, you can email us, you can phone us, or you can come see us in person. But if you have any questions, come see us. Thank you again for coming out tonight and getting involved with your student and our open house for the 2019-2020 school year.